Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Welcome to Chris Learns to Rock YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Here at Chris Learns to Rock, we are sharing the best online opportunities available for everyone to optimize. And as mentioned in the previous video, this channel advocates for positivity, and our topmost marketing strategy is care. We care about your future in the vast digital online world and help you explore possibilities to maximize the online market potential. While learning new technologies, strategies and ways of making money online, we hope our contents help you as well. We aim to also improve your skills, abilities and confidence as you establish your online presence and branding. Now, with all the opportunities, platforms and online programs we have presented, reviewed, analyzed and criticized in this channel, have you started your Make Money online journey as of yet? If you had, great. If you still haven't decided or haven't started anything yet, I think this is the perfect video for you. So, are you looking to start making money online but don't know where to begin? The Click Wealth system could be your solution. It's designed specifically for beginners, offering a straightforward, step-by-step approach to affiliate marketing. With this system, you don't need any prior experience or technical skills. You'll get access to done-for-you tools like pre-made landing pages and email templates, making it easier than ever to start earning commissions online. Plus, the training covers both free and paid traffic strategies, giving you multiple ways to drive potential customers to your offers. While it's important to understand that success requires effort and persistence, the Click Wealth system provides you with a solid foundation to build on. If you're serious about creating an income stream online, this could be the practical, affordable opportunity you've been waiting for. So let's start to know more about the Click Wealth system. Here are some of its key features. First up, step-by-step training. The system provides a structured step-by-step guide to help users set up their affiliate marketing campaigns. This includes instructions on how to create landing pages, generate traffic, and convert visitors into paying customers. Next, custom cloud-based software. Click Wealth system includes cloud-based software that helps users create landing pages quickly and easily. These landing pages are essential for capturing leads and directing traffic to affiliate offers. Then we have done-for-you templates. The program offers pre-made templates for landing pages and email marketing campaigns. These templates are designed to be easily customizable, allowing users to quickly set up their marketing efforts without needing advanced design or technical skills. Another key feature is traffic generation strategies. The system teaches various methods for driving traffic to your landing pages, including both free and paid traffic strategies. This is a critical component, as successful affiliate marketing heavily depends on the quality and quantity of traffic you can generate. Additionally, there is a strong affiliate marketing focus. Click Wealth system focuses specifically on affiliate marketing, where users earn commissions by promoting other people's products. The system guides users on how to select profitable affiliate offers and effectively market them to their audience. The program also includes customer support. This can be helpful for users who need assistance or have questions as they work through the system. Moreover, there is community access. Users might have access to a community or forum where they can interact with other members, share tips, and get advice. This can be a valuable resource for learning from others' experiences. Importantly, the system boasts a low entry cost. It is marketed as being affordable, making it accessible to those who are new to affiliate marketing and may not want to invest heavily upfront. Lastly, there is a money-back guarantee. Like many ClickBank products, the ClickWealth system typically offers a money-back guarantee. This can provide some peace of mind to users who are trying the system for the first time. These features are aimed at simplifying the process of getting started with affiliate marketing, especially for beginners who may not have prior experience in the field. However, the effectiveness of these features will largely depend on how well the user implements them and their ability to adapt to the nuances of online marketing. Now, to access this promising platform, you can click on the link in the description box below. I'm going to show you what the page looks like, as we, here at Chris Learns to Rock, don't want you to fall into fake sites and scams. What's amazing about this offering is that there is an intro video as well that you can watch. So this offering already exists for quite a few years now. As of 2024, the effectiveness of the Click Wealth system or any similar email marketing program depends on various factors, including how well the user implements the strategies, the quality of the traffic, and the relevance of the affiliate offers being promoted. Let me give you the considerations in availing this amazing platform for you to really assess. First, it's a proven system. While the Click Wealth system is marketed as a proven method, the success rate can vary widely. It provides tools like pre-made landing pages and email templates, which can be helpful for beginners. However, the effectiveness of these tools often depends on the user's ability to drive quality traffic and build an engaged email list. Second, it's a money-making platform. Yes, some people have reported making money using the Click Wealth system, but this is not guaranteed. Success in affiliate marketing requires consistent effort, testing, and optimization. The income potential can be influenced by factors like the niche, the competitiveness of the offers, and the user's marketing skills. Third, market trends. Email marketing remains a powerful tool in digital marketing, but the landscape is constantly evolving. The success of any email marketing campaign depends on delivering valuable content, maintaining high deliverability rates, and adapting to changes in consumer behavior and email platforms. Fourth, user reviews. User reviews for products like the Click Wealth system can be mixed. Some users may find success while others may struggle, especially if they don't fully understand the system or lack the experience to effectively implement the strategies. So while the Click Wealth system may work for some, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and be prepared to invest time in learning and optimizing the strategies provided. It's also a good idea to supplement the system with additional education on email marketing and affiliate marketing best practices. And let's be reminded to weigh the opportunities properly. For you to assess, here's a brief overview of the pros and cons of the Click Wealth system. Let's start with the pros. First, beginner-friendly. Click Wealth system has a simplified approach with step-by-step training, making it accessible for beginners. Second, done-for-you tools. Click Wealth system has pre-made landing pages and email templates, reducing the need for technical skills. Third, low cost. The system is an affordable entry point with a money-back guarantee, lowering financial risk. Fourth, cloud-based. Click Wealth system does not need software installation. Everything is accessible online. Fifth, traffic strategies. Click Wealth system includes guidance on both free and paid traffic generation methods. Now here are the cons. First, limited customization. Pre-made templates that Click Wealth system has may not suit all niches or marketing styles, limiting flexibility. Second, variable results. Success in the Click Wealth system heavily depends on the user's ability to drive traffic and convert leads, so results can vary. Third, ongoing costs. In doing the Click Wealth system, paid traffic strategies and potential upsells can increase overall costs. Fourth, oversaturation. As more users follow the same methods, the effectiveness of the system may diminish over time. But as mentioned in 2024, some still make money out of this system. Fifth, mixed reviews. User experiences are varied, with some finding success and others not seeing the desired results. These pros and cons can help you weigh the benefits against the challenges to determine if the Click Wealth system is right for them. So, are you ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? The Click Wealth system gives you the tools and guidance you need to start earning online, even if you're new to the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and effectiveness. It's designed to help you hit the ground running. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it offers a realistic path to building a sustainable income stream with the support and resources to help you succeed. So why wait? Opportunities like this don't come around often. With the Click Wealth system, you can take control of your financial future. Get started today and see where this journey can take you. Click the link in the bio to sign up if you are ready to learn email marketing and make consistent earnings if you can make it work. And if you will sign up using the link in the description box below, we will give away free kits, an amazing guide for email marketing. Just follow us on our new Instagram account at Chris Learns to Rock and comment new email marketing in our latest post. We can send you the amazing compilation of tips and lessons learned in doing email marketing that is a useful guide in navigating platforms such as this amazing Click Wealth system. Remember, the potential of the vast digital universe is limitless. Now it's your turn to make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tips on succeeding in online business. See you next time, and may the virtual force be with you.